show you some shit that is just fucked with this bloody program. If I wanted to do little batten strips, so I could do a front-faced miter strip around this radius and grind it off later so it's all nice and smooth, it's really hard to do. So it's only because this arc function sucks balls. We're going to go to a new file, Control New, and I don't want to say, I will save it. Fuck it. Complex radius miter workaround. Save. Now we've got a new file. We'll just drag it all over left using the middle mouse button. Okay, so I did this one just before for a mate. We want to create a strip, a batten, if you like, and we're going to make that 190 width, and we'll make it 48 wide. Hit enter. We will change all of our geometry to the correct one inside, and we'll edge select and make it all 0. So to make it easier for him to have it all line up without gaps, we need to make these edges, all the angles are on the wrong side, we want to make these at 12 degrees, just that's what we calculated earlier. So I need to go right click, escape, point select, direction of travel, that one to that one is going to be 12 degrees, but I want it to tilt right. There we go. Okay, same with the next one, right click, escape, point select, left mouse button, make sure it snaps that one to that one in the direction of travel, 12 degrees, tilt right, it's already selected, away we go. Now for this one, I wanted to have a slight radius in here. Just makes it easier to match up with the job so there's no gaps. It's really near impossible to get it done with this fucking program. You'd have to go to Arc and you can draw your radius in there. It's not going to line up for shit. You did that, but now I want to remove this part of the arc. I still get nothing. And there's no way for me to fucking trim the outside edge off. I can't. It's fucking shit. So, escape. I need to do it in another program. That's coming next.